Hey, what's up guys? Kat Ray here. So I help you beautify your home and yard, and I have fun doing it. Today we'll be planting 2 wisteria plants along a sports court of my parents. Stick around. Okay, so these wisteria plants, I actually bought them for my yard for a flower bed in our front yard. And to tell you the truth, when I bought them, I didn't know wisteria plants. I just thought it was a vine. I should have studied a little bit about them, but truthfully, a wisteria plant gets so large and big, you shouldn't plant it close to a house. And my mom kind of saved me on that because she saw the wisteria about to be planted at our house, and she's like, no, you do not plant wisteria like that. So basically, I had these 2 purchased wisteria plants, and now we're using them at her house. Look at, I got my wrist braces because I don't want to hurt my wrists or my elbows. One thing that is very important with any plant being planted is the soil underneath it needs to be very good, healthy soil. So we've dug the holes and we've gotten soil from another location that's very beautiful soil, and we're going to be filling it around so that wisteria will have a nice place to be growing. Okay. So we had my dad bring his tractor up here because there was so many roots right here. Now we got the hole, we're gonna bury the wisteria. Okay. Well, we got this wisteria all planted, and it just needs to be a little fine-tuned later, but we're gonna go do the other one. Okay, so the next step is to get some nice water into that healthy soil, and then that plant will compress down a little bit, and that will be very beautiful. Okay friends, well, we are all done with this project. That took us maybe 45 minutes, but we were only planting 2 wisteria plants, so piece of cake. Now my parents get to go to a trunk or treat with some kids, and I get to go hang out with Josh. So remember, work hard, play hard, have a wonderful day. We'll see you on the next project.